Welcome to Northstar Kia, your most trusted new and pre-owned automotive dealership located at 46-05 Northern Boulevard, Queens. Owning a 2018 Ford F-150 XLT comes with numerous advantages. It offers powerful performance with its range of engine options, making it capable of tackling various tasks. The F-150 boasts excellent towing and payload capacities, ideal for hauling heavy loads. It features a spacious and comfortable interior with advanced technology and safety features. Additionally, its rugged design and durability make it suitable for both work and everyday driving, ensuring a reliable and versatile ownership experience. Come by Northstar and enjoy a relaxed test drive experience. Our friendly staff is here to assist you in finding the perfect vehicle that suits you. Unlocking possibilities, delivering quality, only at Northstar Kia, your premier destination for new and used cars.